Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you why this seat cushion is a must-have. This memory foam seat cushion by 5 Stars United is incredible. I love that it has this super soft cloud-like comfort. Really is such a pressure relief cushion. I am in love with it for these uncomfortable chairs that I have, and it has this nice non-slip backing on it so that it's not going to slide around. I also love that this awesome suede-like fabric is a removable washable cover. So important. We know we don't want it looking dirty. So love that it really is just going to be a great ergonomic design that's going to support, it can support up to 300 pounds. So whether you're sitting in an office chair, just an uncomfortable chair, wheelchair, gaming chair, wherever you may sit for a long period of time, this is the cushion you're going to want to have. It's going to just take that pressure off, overall keep you more comfortable. I've even found it really helpful on a road trip. If you are in the car for a long period of time, it just gives you that relief to distribute your weight evenly and just takes so much pressure off your bottom. I am absolutely loving this cushion for all of its benefits, and I know you will too. So whatever seat you may need a cushion for, whether it's home, your office, even your vehicle, possibly even a wheelchair, this seat cushion is perfect. It's so comfortable, and that is my point of view.